What's up, Overland, Subaru International? What's going on? Today we're talking about awning, DIY awning like this one right now I'm building, and that's gonna be the project to have a tarp right here. And yeah, that's the plan. So if you want to know exactly how to do it and what to use for it, I want you to stay on that video. It's going to be a short one, it's going to be a nice one, but that's going to be it. I hope you're going to like it. Okay, so first thing first, what you need is a tarp, which I have. This is actually boat tarp, so normally this one has been used in the past with my parents' sailboat. It was on it. Typically, it should be water resist, not necessarily waterproof, but water resist. Now we'll see for the rest, but that's what it is. Now just beside, we're using fence metal. Okay, so these are just the top. Normally you're gonna put your fence on, and this is going to be attached to this, and this is actually, if you're looking at it, bear with me, I'm just gonna go on the other side. Boom, 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 boom. Right here, there's another one, and it's already painted, it's already coated, so that's gonna be fine. That thing costs $20. Each cap costs $1.50. Total cost without the tarp, because it's been given to me, without the extension pole, which is another given to me, you're talking about a $25 Canadian awning, and that's what it is. Now to attach to this, I'll show you. It's hot today, but we at least got some nice temperature to do a DIY project. So here's we kind of continue. That's gonna be a short one. Let's go right now. Boom. All right, so that's what it is. That's the top, that's the pin who's gonna join everything, and that's what it's gonna be on the little basket I have on my roof. So the roof rack. Bang. Right on. So that's gonna be here, like that, or maybe like that, or something like that. All four of them, and that's gonna be my awning. Yep. Good. If you wonder why I got two of them, all right, there's one there, there's one there. This one typically goes inside, so that's actually, if I want to put a bigger tarp, I could actually extend it. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I might have to return it. Now the question is, I want to double check if I could use it both ways, because here is 96 inch by 76 if my memory is good. Yeah, 96 by 72 if my memory is good. Alright guys, so that's the full thing set up right now. So you've got the bottom, you've got the clip, that's the big one. There's a different size. That one is actually an inch, the other one on the other side is a 3/4. Alright, so we just continue the installation, and as you can see right now, it's getting pretty good. So let's see, I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. Alright, so this is actually what it looks like. Alright, so I got the big tube over here. It's actually a fence hole of 8 foot, and actually I put that, and as you saw previously, now the only thing that's changed is actually I put my, how'd you call that, This is actually the pole. So if you want to put it at the end of the tarp, and normally you've got some screw here, and this is actually to put it at the end. Now it fits perfectly inside. All right, so I got 2 of them inside that. Now the other thing is the tarp is still not installed yet, so the plan is actually to drill some hole inside that. Not sure if I'm going to use these things. I saw something different, so I might have to go with something else. Now the thing is actually we're missing holes in that, and holes on the other side. Roll that thing, cap it over to protect it, and that will be it. Now I seen Smitty built one. According to what it is, it's super nice, it's super cheap, so I need to check that if I want that. And yeah, I think for tonight it's over. It was a long day, it was a hot day, but yeah, that's what it is.
Alright guys, I hope you like this episode. If you really do, just please subscribe to my Patreon. It's brand new right now, and I want to leave you some straight comments directly to you, and also I'm going to give you a little gift and heads up to the secret spot I've been, and GPS coordinate, little pictures directly to you guys specifically. Thank you for watching Overland Subaru International. My name is Sebastian again. If you want to watch other videos, right there, right there, right there. And if you want to subscribe, right there. Take care guys. See ya.